You ready?
Go down Midlow Turnpike, about a mile and a half, take a right on Boulders Parkway. Then it's going to become more fun. So just hang out behind me. I'm going to point out road hazards with my feet.
Okay. Let's do it. All right, folks, we're on the Tiger 1200. Let's go see what this bike can do. Got to get used to this. These clutches are so short. It's kind of strange the way the ergonomics is. The handbrake, it's the brake lever. Excuse me, the brake lever is just right, but on the clutch hand, the clutch is way too short. It's almost like you have to 2 or 3 finger it. My last 2 fingers are just hanging right off. It's just a weird feeling. And it's the first time I kind of have to get used to a clutch. Normally, it comes on fairly easy right away. Okay. In front of me is my test ride buddy. This bike is not unlike the 1250 GS in terms of character. Sitting in the bike, I'm going about 40, and there's quite a bit of wind noise. So I assume there's going to be quite a bit of turbulence once we get on the highway. That's the one thing I didn't like about my Africa Twin. This, of course, has more power than the Africa Twin. Definitely less power than that Rocket 3R. It says it's 66.5 degrees. I don't think so. I really don't. This thing is breaking in. You could smell it. The ergonomics is slightly different. I don't think this windshield is doing much of anything, to tell you the truth. Maybe less effective than the one on the Africa Twin. Let's see how these things look. Doesn't look like these little turn I don't think there's a turn signals on the mirror. They may just be reflectors. It's 2:59 p.m., but it looks like it's about 6 or 7 o'clock in the evening. It's been cloudy all day. It's quite torquey. May hear a little wind. I had to crack my windshield here. Seems to be fogging up. Forgive me if you're hearing a lot of noise here. So far, watch out, watch out. It's quite a bit of traffic this Friday afternoon. Right now, with my legs against the tank, not feeling a whole lot of wind resistance against my knees. So that's pretty good. I think he was trying to signal something to me. I wasn't sure what he was signaling, but okay. You're going right. It's me and the Rocket 3R. I don't know. Might be time to put something else on the stable and switch off with the Africa Twin. Unfortunately, we didn't get to do a lot of the things we set out to do with the Africa Twin. The reason why we put it in the stable. But that's two different opposites motorcycles between this adventure bike and this, to me, this cruiser slash hooligan type bike. And the Rocket 3R. So I think he's trying to stretch the legs on the Rocket 3R. And I'm trying to stretch the legs on this Tiger, so hell, let's get it. Let's get it. Let us get it, folks.